dangle, dangle. Hanging or swinging freely. His legs were dangling off the chair. Earrings were dangling from her ears. Wiggle, wiggle. Moving from side to side or up and down in small, quick movements. The girl likes to wiggle her toes. The cat wiggled its body while playing. Twitch, twitch. Making small, quick, sudden movements, usually without control. His eye was twitching from stress. Her eye kept twitching for no clear reason. Dab, dab. Touching something lightly and quickly, usually with a cloth or tissue. The nurse was dabbing the wound gently. She was dabbing her face with a towel. Beckon, beckon. To signal someone to come closer, usually with your hand or head. He beckoned his friend with his hand. The waiter beckoned us to follow him. Ruffle, ruffle. To make something messy or uneven, especially hair or feathers. She laughed as he ruffled her hair. The bird ruffled its feathers. Jolt, jolt. A sudden strong movement or shock. The bus jolted as it stopped suddenly. The boy jolted while watching a video. Shove, shove. To push someone or something roughly or suddenly. He shoved the door open. She shoved him in the crowd. Cup, cup. Holding something in your hands by shaping your palms like a cup. She is cupping water in her hands. He was cupping his face with his hands. Hail, hail. To call out loudly. She hailed a taxi on the street. She hailed her friend from across the road. Prop. Prop. Supporting something by putting something under or against it. She was propping her head on her hand. He propped the ladder against the wall. Shell. Shell. Removing the outer covering shell from something, like nuts or peas. He was shelling peanuts. She sat outside shelling peas. Tweeze. Tweeze. Pulling out small hairs or things using tweezers. She is tweezing her eyebrows. She spends time tweezing unwanted hair. Teeter. Teeter. Moving unsteadily, like you might fall. The child was teetering on the edge. The stack of books was teetering. Fluff. Fluff. Making something soft, full, or less flat by shaking or moving it. She is fluffing the pillow. She is fluffing her hair. Pluck. Pluck. Pulling something out quickly, usually hair, feathers, or strings. She is plucking her eyebrows. She is plucking flowers from the garden. Blanch. Blanch. Putting food in boiling water for a short time, then cooling it quickly. She is blanching vegetables. He is blanching tomatoes before peeling them. Puff. Puff. Blowing out air, smoke, or making something swell slightly. The man is puffing after exercising. He is puffing on a hot cup of tea. Jiggle. Jiggle. Moving something with small, quick, shaky movements. He is jiggling his leg nervously. She was jiggling the keys in her hand. Grimace. Grimace. making a face that shows pain, discomfort, or dislike. She is grimacing with neck pain. He is grimacing at the bad smell.